Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Winter superfoods. Winter superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants during the colder months. Including a variety of these foods in your diet can help support your immune system, boost energy levels, and maintain overall health. Here are some winter superfoods to consider. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, which is important for immune function. They also add a burst of flavor to winter dishes. Number 2. Root vegetables. Sweet potatoes, carrots, beets, and parsnips are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Roast them or add them to soups for a hearty and nutritious meal. Number 3. Dark leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of vitamins A and C, as well as iron. Add them to salads, soups, or sauté them as a side dish. Number 4. Winter squash. Butternut squash, acorn squash, and pumpkin are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. They also provide fiber and antioxidants. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are good sources of healthy fats, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or include them in your snacks. Number 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are high in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. They can be roasted, sautéed, or added to salads. Number 7. Oats. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. They can be enjoyed as oatmeal, added to smoothies, or used in baking for a nutritious boost. Number 8. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Add the seeds to salads, yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Number 9. Cranberries. Fresh or dried cranberries are high in antioxidants and vitamin C. They can be added to salads, oatmeal, or used in baked goods. Number 10. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. Grill or bake fish for a delicious and nutritious meal. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial properties and can help boost the immune system. Add minced garlic to soups, stews, and roasted vegetables. Number 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, such as shiitake and maitake, contain immune-boosting compounds. Add them to stir-fries, soups, or use them as a meat substitute. Including a variety of these winter superfoods in your diet can help you stay nourished and support your health during the colder months. Consider incorporating them into your meals to enjoy both their flavor and nutritional benefits.